mint leaf beetle or green mint beetle. Chrysolina herbacea, a species of beetle in the family Chrysomelidae. It is generally metallic bright green, with some of the mint beetles having a gold-purple reflection. Variations in color exist in particular females, ranging from golden red to deep blue. Here you are observing the mating pair of Chrysolina herbacea. The adult beetles can be 8 to 10 mm long and have black colored larvae. The beetles' legs and pronotum are the same as their basic color and they have antennae. Usually, this beetle is confused with the much rarer tansy beetle.